Good morning, children. Take out your science book. Today you have science, no? Uh, Today I have sent uh, through the snapshot options your revision test routine. And in science, you have, I think you have on 29th, you have a science. For the science test, you have to read chapter number 2. I have given that syllabus at the same time. Just beside to subject, I have given the chapter name also. So, chapter number 2, more about plants, I have given for the revision test. So, today I am going to revise chapter number 2 once again. Okay. So, open your book, page number 15. Only I will discuss all the exercise, whatever is given there. Okay, because you will get true false and tick the right word, and few questions are here. It's depend on you what answer you will write, because here is your liking flowers, your liking fruits, your liking vegetables. So any vegetables, any fruits or any flowers you can write. So it's depend on upon you, but question number 1 and 2 is important. Once again I am going to make you understand which one is true, which one is false. And whenever you will write the true or false or right or wrong, tick the right answer, right word, read the sentence very carefully and then think, then try to put the tick mark or write the true or false. Okay. So what is question number 1? Write T against true and F against false. Question number 1. The stem grows below the ground. Stem. Stem means this is called stems. This is called stems. This one is stem. These grow above the ground or under the ground. It's very clear. It's grow above the ground. And question is here, stem grows below the ground. That means wrong. You will write F. Question number 2. Lily is the king of flower. Lily is not the king of flower. Means this sentence is wrong. And wrong means you can write F. And if the sentence will write, you will write T, true. So question number 2, Lily is the king of flower, F, false. Question number 3, some flowers grow into fruits. Some flowers grow into fruits. Is it right? Some flowers grow into fruits. Really. It's true. Because some flowers really grows into fruits. First fruits, after that it's become flower. First flowers and gradually it's change into fruits. So third one is T, right. Tree, T, right. Number 4, peach does not have seed. Peach does not have seed. You can see page number 14, there is given a picture of peach. There is given a picture of peach. Is there any seed? Is there any seed? Just watch and write. T or F. What would be there? Question number 2. Tick the right word. Tick the right word. And 2 answer is given there. And it's you can put the tick mark on correct one. One is wrong, one is right. Question number 1. Roots grow above and below the ground. Roots. Roots grow where? Above or below? It's everybody knows root always below the ground. Have a look. Where is the root? I am showing you. Where is the root? Yes, this one is root, and root is not above the ground. Stem is above the ground, but root is below the ground. Root is below the ground, and this is root. This is below, and this is above. Stem is above, root is below. So your question is, root grows above, below the ground. So which one is correct? Below is correct. So tick on below. Above is a wrong. Question number 2. Tick the below. Number 2. Plants need and do not need water to grow. Plants need and do not need water to grow. Children, it's very necessary for the growth of plants. 3 things: water, air, and sunshine. Water, air, and sunshine. And water and air is very necessary for us also. No? So these 3 things, without these 3 things, plants cannot grow. And here is questions: plants need and do not need water to grow. That means plants need water to grow. Need is right answer, and do not need is wrong. So put the tick mark on need. Question number 3. Rose and safflower has a sweet smell. Rose and safflower has a sweet smell. Has a sweet smell. Everybody knows rose has a sweet smell, and safflower. See, this one is safflower. I am showing you which one is safflower. This one is safflower. You can say hibiscus also. But safflower has no sweet smell. But rose, this is rose, and rose has a sweet smell. So rose is a correct answer. So put the tick mark on rose. Put the tick mark on rose. Question number 4. Most plants grow from fruits and seed. Fruits and seed. Most plants grow from, everybody knows, whenever you will sow the seed inside the soil, and after that you will get the baby plants. No? First you will get the yes, when we sow seed in the soil, and if I will give the air, water, and sunshine that is necessary for the growth of a plant, you will get, have a look, this 4 stage. First, root, shoot, everything you will get, baby plants, and after that it's a small baby plants. So seed is important for the growth of most plants. So seed is the correct answer. Fruit is wrong. So put the tick on seed. And question number 3. Which one do you like most? Which one do you like most? The flower I like most is. Which flower you like, you can write. I will not tell. The fruits, second one is, the fruit I like most is. Which fruits you like, you write. I will not tell. Because I like mango, you can like apple or grapes or any other, guava. So whatever you like, you can write. Question number 3. The vegetables I like most is. Yes, I like all the vegetables. But you people don't like, I know. But you have to write any vegetables, you can write there. Okay. So go through page number 15 and worksheet time, whatever worksheet I will send from the page 15, you have to write. So think carefully, read many times, and write the proper answer. Okay. So that's all for today. Bye bye. See you. Bye bye.